Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach. Uh, there are a lot of friends who are asking which is the free video AI tool. So you can create the video for free at the moment. Okay, so you can try out. This is Google one. Google Share. This is a Google one. You will be able to. You can trust it because this is a Google one. Okay, so click on it. Let's go to that website. Okay, you will be able to sign in this one. You can sign via your Gmail account. Okay, so okay, at the moment landscape is free, so the pay, if you are select as a portrait, you have to pay. You can it asks to upgrade. So let's try out the free one as a landscape. Okay, landscape. Okay, landscape, you can try out this one. Click on it. So here portrait also you will be able to try. So here we can try it like this. Okay, so okay, it is working, no problem. Okay, now it's working. You don't need to upgrade. Here it's working. So you can see the portrait. You can mobile video also we will be able to create it. So okay, what I'm going to, so I'm going to create a video which is a uh, for platform. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to go to create the video. So first what I'm going to do is here, click on it. So first I'm going to go to type something. So here we have to create the image first. We can select the option which is an animate image. Here this one. Select the image. So I'm going to select this image as this cat. I'm going to select this cat image. So cat image. I'm going to select this cat image. So that's cat. This kitty. This kitty. Kitty coming towards to the camera. Okay, this kitty is coming towards the camera. This is my prompt. Okay, according to this photo I'm going to tell them. Okay, I have already inserted the photo. The inside this photo the character, how would I act? So we have to give the proper prompt. Based on the prompt, that character would act. Okay, so let's click generate. So you have to wait until the process done. Okay, so here it is 9:10. Okay, you have to wait until the process done. So this kit is coming towards the camera. Okay, let's see how the output will be. So these are the output. Okay, this kind of things you will be able to generate and you can upload it. Okay, so this is the right now this is a free one. Okay, this is a free now one. So in the future I can't tell they are entire life they are giving free. Okay, so now at the moment if you want to create the free, you are looking for the free AI tool, this will be enough. So inside the video you will be able to say, click on it here, it is coming here for him. Yeah, successfully it's coming. If you want to play, you will be able to play this one. Okay, so now what I'm going to say, I'm going to download this one. Okay, so how to download? There is an option called here Diksha download MP4. Okay, so you have to wait until the download has been completed. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. So let's go. Let's see the video. Yeah, very nice house. Very cute. So you will be able to create this kind of a video for free using this Google with AI. Okay, I hope you guys this video is helpful you to generate the free video. Thank you.